Hi there, Wade Sellers here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate on a video remotely. Nikki, cue the intro. Nikki, cue the intro.
No. Hi there, Nikki here. I'm the video editor behind our YouTube channel, and today we are going to show you how to collaborate on a video remotely. Wade, cue the intro.
Nikki, you're still the editor, remember?
Oh, right. Nikki, cue the intro.
Did you just talk to yourself? Okay, so you've probably seen our Team Call Struggles video.
I think maybe there was an Instagram reel that wanted to run this week.
If not, no worries, we're gonna link it at the end, so hang out right here.
What you probably don't know is our entire marketing team has been 100% remote since even before the pandemic. So we've got Jessica, Brandon, and Lauren Marat in New York. We've got Amy and Sean in South Carolina. Kimberly is in Florida. Amelia and Jordan are both in Denver. Lauren Carey has been a digital nomad, so she's been bouncing around from country to country. At one point during the pandemic, she decided to settle in Amsterdam. Wade went from Bali, Turkey, Ukraine, Florida, to New York, and now he's finally in Mexico. And then there's me. I'm 20 minutes right outside of DC in a town called College Park in Maryland.
And fun fact, this here, right now, this is a remote collaboration. Whoa, Nikki, don't show them everything. My room is a total mess.
Oh, oops, sorry.
So here's our best tips to make this remote collaboration super effective and fun.
Fun being the most important part.
Tip number 1, writing a script. A script paints a picture for the entire cast and production. It gives everyone a good sense of what they're supposed to do,
Your camera is gonna be on, but you think it's off.
what they're supposed to say, and when. Nikki, do you want to talk about editing the script?
Edit your script! Not just you edit your script, have other people edit your script. Why? Because multiple perspectives help. Say you're trying to write something funny, you might want to send that script to a funny friend. You might also want to send the script to someone who's not so funny. That way you can meet everybody halfway and then cater to the general audience. Yay! And that being said, I'll take us to tip number 2. Herd the sheep. It's time to get everyone to meet and rehearse. Yep, get all 10 different people from different time zones to meet in one place. So I had everyone meet where they're comfortable, which is a Zoom call that we don't already have enough of. And I picked the time that worked for everyone. That being said, Wade, take us to tip number
3, do practice runs, okay? Bring everyone together, pull out the script, and read through it. Work out all the confusion points and the kinks in the system. Nikki had a lot of ideas of things she wanted to put into the video, and it was through our practice runs that we were able to seamlessly put that all together. Everyone felt involved and we had a ton of fun doing it. Nikki, what's tip number 4?
Spare your finger. Just kidding. Direct and shoot. People need to be told what to do. And then you're gonna pick up your iPad. People want to succeed, and your feedback will help them, especially when carrying out your vision. So tell them what to do, put on your director's hat, sit in your director's seat, and be a friendly tyrant. Okay. Pretty easy, right? Side note, I'm the newest member of our marketing team. So a week before the shoot, I definitely had a few anxiety attacks along the way. And don't forget to shoot from different angles. Try from the left, try from the right. Try it from as many different angles as you can. And with that being said, Wade, take us to tip number
5. Once we have all the footage shot, we all individually upload our clips into a single Bubble Up group folder. Nikki pulls them down and then she creates the edits. She'll take finished copies and put them back into the group folder where we'll critique it, add comments and conversation to build out the final copy. As she continues to iterate, we end up with a finished product. And then we're done.
So that's our 5 tips. That's what we've learned, and that's how we've been doing it so effectively. Wade, send us home.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, if you had fun here, be sure to hit subscribe to our YouTube channel as we're putting these videos out all the time. And if you're interested in learning more about Bubble Up, be sure to go to bubbleup.com. Nikki, high five.